Is Thanksgiving a secret this year?
No, we are playing the game. You have to name all states in 6 minutes. Time is up. I got 48.
Oh, I stopped playing a while ago. And now I'm listening to celery. So far I got regular celery.
Say hello to the new champ of the Chandler's Dumb States game.
Oh, how many have you got?
56.
How come can we have an extra plate?
You invited your assistant?
Oh, yeah. Well, Tag's not coming. His girlfriend is in town, so he's spending Thanksgiving with her.
Chandler, come and help me take this because I need an extra oven.
Hey, Phoebes, why is your bag moving?
Oh, just my knitting. Oh, yeah, I knitted this. I'm really good. Done! With time spin.
Ross, you've got 46 states.
How? That's impossible! I can bet I can name all 50 before dinner.
But if you can't, no dinner.
Tag, what are you doing here?
I wanted to see if her offer is still good. I broke up with my girlfriend. She went back to Ohio.
Ohio, thank you.
Oh, that's Ross. Come sit.
No, we left Joey alone with the food. I knew it. There he's feeding stuffing to a dog. Phoebe, where's the dog? I've been watching him for some friends that went out of the town. Hello, my name is Conkers. May I please stay with you? Oh, I wish, but Chandler's allergic.
I'm not allergic, but
Don't do it.
it's time. Okay. I hate dogs.
What? Do you hate all dogs? Even puppies?
Are there puppies here?
Hey, when a guy breaks up with his girlfriend, what's the appropriate amount of time to give him before you can make a move?
A month? Really? I'd say 3 to 4.
Half hour.
And when it's your assistant, never.
The big question is, does he like you? Because if he doesn't like you, it's a moot point.
A move point?
Yeah, it's like a cow's opinion. It doesn't matter. It's moot.
Hey, how are you?
You know, I thought I would meet someone, fall in love, and that will be it. But what if that never happens?
Don't think like that. It will happen someday.
Thank you for talking to me.
What are the bosses for? Hug it out.
Alright, he likes you back.
What did he just say?
My back! You like my back! Enjoy noise. I'm very insecure about my back. You were hugging me so you don't think it's disgusting. Yay! What? Okay, here's the truth. I like you. I have a crush on you. And I know it's crazy because we work together and I didn't want to freak you out, but can you say something now?
Hey, that's my car. They're stealing my car.
Wait, we still have the time to talk. If they're not they're getting in the car.
Please don't leave me. I'll be lonely. Oh, come on. We can be strong. Oh my gosh, she's so funny.
Where's Monica?
In Phoebe's room, but you can't go there.
Why not?
Because she's crying.
I'm ready to eat. Where's the food? What's the matter with you?
Monica's upset about the dog.
So, bring the dog back. Be the hero.
I can't do that.
Ross, you need some help?
For you? Yes, please.
First of all, Utah. Dude, you can't make stuff up. Insect skills, please.
Yeah, why did I open my mouth anyway?
I like you. I have a crush on you?
I freaked him out.
If you say it like that, probably.
Look who's back. Hi.
Oh no! Chandler went over to Ross's to bring the dog here.
Please, please, don't be mad at me. I just wanted to bring Clunkers back. I left the doors open and I don't know where she is.
Surprise, she's here.
She came back all by herself.
Yeah, she climbed the fire escape and clapped and tapped on the window with her teeny tiny paw and said, I went too far, didn't I?
Yeah.
Delaware, I got my turkey now.
You got in another twice.
Can I still get my turkey?